This road was repaved 2.5 years ago. 2 snowstorms should not disintegrate. The Romans would go crazy on this. The Romans built better roads than we do in America. And we invented the interstate highway system, modeled after Germany, Autobahn. So what do you do when you have a road disintegrates to the point of this? We are taxpayers. DOGE needs to come here, audit VDOT, and maybe the contractor who used shitty blacktop. This should not happen in just 2 cycles of snowstorms. Who pays for the damage to cars caused by these roads? Who pays to the wear and tear on a tire that is, you know, low on tread? Who will come here and fix this problem? And how long would it take to fix the problem? And yet we accept this. In Virginia, VDOT sucks. I've never seen such an organization so irresponsible, complacent, complicit, ignorant, and look at the roads. Who paved this? What kind of shitty blacktop did they use? And who's going to repair the cars that are over these? There should be reverse engineering as to find out why this road disintegrated the way it has. Exposed metal. Why isn't anyone, especially these board of supervisors in Henrico County, coming here and doing the same thing I'm doing? There's metal here exposed to roads and cars. This could puncture a tire, yes or no? Can it or can it not? Look at this. It's like someone bombed these roads with like miniature M80s. Right? So who's going to fix this? And how long will it take? This whole thing needs to be resurfaced. Repair jobs will only make it worse, because it's going to happen again and again and again and again. Kind of like a bad girlfriend who always shows up at the wrong time. Shame on our leaders and VDOT for allowing this crappy road, which is the main artery, Broad Street, on the border of Goochland County and Henrico County. Would they accept this? I don't understand where the disconnect is with VDOT. They are responsible for this shitty road. They use a contractor who should not be used again. And did anyone check and see what kind of quality work was done? And how did it start? Where did it start? How did it get so bad? I mean, those are good questions, right? Look at this. And then I'm going to show you how deep the pothole is on the middle road here without being killed, because no one else is going to do it and ask questions. But I can tell it's about maybe 5 inches deep. Yeah, see? I'm not going to do it. I'll let your imagination do it. VDOT exposed for the shitty roads that they allow in the dysfunction of Virginia that is now becoming the East Coast equivalent of California with their crazy laws.